Hello friends, I hope all of you are keeping well. Today we'll do some more questions from the topic Climate of India. As we have done few questions in part 1, now in part 2 we'll do some more questions. Okay, so let's start. Dear friends, first question. Which of the following is related to western disturbances? We know it is very important phenomena in the climate of India. It is a tropical storm originating in Bay of Bengal. A option. B option, it is a non-monsoonal precipitation pattern driven by the westerlies. C, it brings rain in western Ghats. D, it causes heavy rains in advancing monsoon season. Now let's explore which one is the correct option. Tropical storm originating Bay of Bengal. We know it is originating in Mediterranean Sea, so that is why this option is wrong. Right? It is a non-monsoonal precipitation, yes, driven by westerlies. Yes, we know that westerlies are very helpful in bringing western disturbances to India. And it seems B option is right. Let's see the other option also. C, rainfall in Western Ghats. No, it causes heavy rains in advancing monsoon season. No, because this is the phenomena of winter season. So that is why B option is our right answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Number 2. What is Mahavat in terms of geography? Mahavat. Let's see the options. A, it refers to the winter rainfall that occurs in western part of India. Yes, Mahavat occurs in winter season. Let's see other options also. As a result of western disturbances, this is your first option. So it seems that is very close to Mahavat. B option says it refers to a strong, gusty, hot and dry summer wind from the west which blows over western Indo-Gangetic plains. No, it is not a dry, hot wind. So that is why this option is not related to Mahavat. C, it refers to rainfall and thunderstorm occurs in India and Bangladesh, often with violent hurricane speed winds. That is also not there. Pre-monsoon shower in Kerala, that is also not there. So B option is the right option. Okay, dear friends. So B option is A option is your right option. In western part of India, it is caused by western disturbances. That is actually a winter rainfall. Now see the next question. What is Kal Baisakhi? Yes, we are talking about here an important geographical phenomena, Kal Baisakhi. A option. It refers to the orographic rainfall which occurs over the western Ghats by Arabian Sea branch of advancing monsoon season. Then B option, it refers to a strong, gusty, hot and dry summer wind from the west which blows over western Indo-Gangetic plains. C option, it refers to a rainfall and thunderstorm occurs in India and Bangladesh, often with violent hurricane speed winds. Then we have D option, it refers to a pre-monsoon showers in Kerala, Karnataka and parts of Tamil Nadu. So actually Kal Baisakhi occurs in India, Bengal, Assam and Bangladesh, which are adjacent to Bangladesh in West Bengal and Assam states of India. So that is why C option is the closest option, Kal Baisakhi. Okay, so our answer would be C option. Kal Baisakhi is referring a rainfall and thunderstorm which occurs in India and Bangladesh, often with violent hurricane speed winds. Okay friends, now move to the next question. During rainy season, the windward side of Western Ghats receives, so four options are there: rainfall below 10 centimeter, rainfall between 100 to 50 to 100 centimeter, C option 100 to 200 centimeter, D option rainfall above 200 centimeter. Windward side of Western Ghat receives very high rainfall which is about 200 centimeter. That is why D option is our right answer, about 200 centimeter rainfall. Okay, now see the next question. Which of the following factor is responsible for low rainfall on the eastern slopes of Western Ghats? In previous question, we have talked about western slopes of Western Ghats, high rainfall, and eastern slopes of Western Ghats receive low rainfall. Which factor is responsible for that? We have four options here. Their proximity to the western coast, the lack of winter depressions, their leeward location, the height of the Ghats. Now, low rainfall on eastern side. In previous question we have discussed western side is windward side, so actually eastern side of Western Ghats is leeward side. So that is why C option is the right option. Okay, leeward location of eastern slopes of Western Ghats is responsible for low rainfall. See the next question. Question number 6. Identify the prominent characteristics of monsoonal rainfall in India. Here we have four statements as a part of the question. Rainfall is seasonal in character. Monsoonal rainfall is largely governed by relief or topography. It has a declining trend with increasing distance from the sea. The monsoon rains occur in wet spells of few days duration at a time. So let's see all four statements. It is seasonal in character. It is largely dependent or governed by relief features. And near the coastal area, high rainfall. When wind moves to the interior, rainfall decreases. That is also there. And monsoon rains occur in wet spells of few days. All four options are very close to the statement of monsoonal rainfall. All four statements are very close. That is why D option, all statements, will be the right answer. Okay, now next question. Study the maps. Here we have two maps. One map is of annual rainfall and the other map is of the seasonal rainfall. We can see these two maps, and then on the basis of these two maps we have a question. Which of the following statement is not correct? So it means three statements are correct and related to the rainfall pattern, and one statement is not correct. Let's see. First option, A option. Northwestern part receives very high rainfall. B option, most of the rainfall, that is around 80% in India, occurs from July to August. In North India, rainfall decreases from east to west. In South India, rainfall decreases from west to east. So first option, northwestern part, we have Thar Desert, Punjab Haryana region, they receive very low rainfall or low rainfall. So that is why this statement is not correct. Okay. B option, very high rainfall in these 4 months, July to August, most of the rain, 80%, that is okay. That is related to monsoons. Rainfall pattern in India. In North India, rainfall decreases from east to west. Yes, Bengal side receives high rainfall and western side, Punjab Haryana, receives low rainfall. In South India, rainfall decreases from west to east. Yes, Western Ghat receives high rainfall and Eastern Ghat receives low rainfall. So D option is correct in terms of monsoon. C option is correct. B is correct. So our answer would be A option, which is not a correct statement related to the rainfall pattern in India. Okay, so that is why it is correct. I hope these questions are going to help us for several other questions also, right? The options which are not correct in the questions are going to help us in other questions. Now, next question. Which of the following is not related with winter season? We have four statements. One statement is not related with winter season. First, it occurs from December to February. Months are given. B, it is dominated by the humid southwest monsoon. Feature of season is given here. It is not prominent in South India. Location is mentioned here. Winds do not cause rainfall as they move from land to sea. Movement of wind is given here. Now you see, A, months are given December, January, February. Yes, these 3 months are of winter season. So that is related to winter season. B option, it is dominated by humid southwest monsoon. No, Actually, southwest monsoon winds occur in advancing monsoon season. So B option is not related with winter season. C option, it is not prominent in South India. Yes, it is not prominent in South India. That is also related with winter season. D option, do not cause much rain because winds are moving from land to sea. They are drier. Yes. So A, C and D options are related with winter season. So B option is your correct answer because it is not related with winter season. Okay. Now next question. Match the columns. Here we have two columns. Which of the following is correct? In first column we have season and in second column we have months. First column, cold weather season, then hot weather season, advancing monsoon season and retreating monsoon season. Months, June to September, December to February, March to May, October to November. So cold weather season, in one of the questions just now we have discussed, December to February. Hot weather season, March to May, because June to September is your advancing monsoon season. Okay, yes. And retreating monsoons, October, November. Right? So C has 1, B has 3, D has 4 and A has 2. Now A 2, yes. B 3, yes. C 1, yes. And D 4, yes. So that is why out of these 4 options, B option is our right answer. Okay. So that is why B option is our right answer. Now next question. Which of the following is incorrect? 3 statements are correct. 1 statement is not correct. Let's see. Always read the question carefully. Let's see the statements. A. Mumbai, being located on the windward side of Western Ghats, receives more rain than Pune. Mumbai receives more rain than Pune. B. Carbon dioxide produced by human beings is a major source of increasing greenhouse effect. We always talk about greenhouse effect. So CO2 or carbon dioxide is responsible for that. Let's see. Average annual rainfall in India is about 125 centimeter, but it has great spatial variations of rainfall. Some areas receive high rainfall, some areas receive low rainfall. D. Cyclonic depressions which originate over Andaman Sea. Yes, Andaman Sea is in Bay of Bengal and manage to cross the eastern coast and cause rains over Himalayas. Himalayas in the northern region of India. So that is why D option is actually factually not correct. A is correct. Mumbai receives higher rain than Pune because Mumbai is on windward side. B option, carbon dioxide is responsible along with other gases, yes, for increasing greenhouse effect. C option, yes, we have high average annual rainfall, but variations are there. Areas receive high rainfall and few areas receive low rainfall. So that is why D option is our correct answer. These depressions which originate in Andaman Sea, they come near the eastern coast and cause rainfall in the deltas of Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi rivers. So it is not correct. So that is why it is our answer. I hope you have well understood all the concepts related to the climate of India and different aspects you have studied in previous video, related questions to climate. Now these are also going to help you. I hope this is going to help you a lot in preparing the topic for your exams. Okay friends, thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye bye.